Hey everybody. Well, we had a terrific storm yesterday. It almost seemed like a typhoon in February, but it wasn't a typhoon. It was just a very, very significant storm. Really, really came down. I got so wet on the way to work. Anyway, Fuji, Mount Fuji should be a beautiful sight this morning, covered in snow. Let's take a look together, shall we? It looks like it's a little bit dark still. I'm a little bit early for the dawn, but you can see the snow cover there. Let's take a look. The typical, I love that. Look at that profile of Fuji there in the middle distance, or middle of the screen, not middle distance. Isn't that beautiful the way it just towers above the landscape like that? Let's start over here, begin where the dawn is starting, and make our way over through the clouds as the birds flutter above. Yesterday I tried to do a time lapse, my first one, with Fuji. Came out so-so. There wasn't much wind, the clouds weren't moving very much. Thought about doing it again this morning, but still no movement, not much. There we go, there's our mountain. Look at that, goodness. Oh, I can see the first blush of, I love to say that word, of red upon the face of the mountain there. Can you see that little wisp of cloud at the top? Zoom in and take a look, shall we? I'm at maximum 40 times optical zoom now. Very nice. Oh, look at that cloud line down there. Very nice. They're losing focus. Clouds are moving there a little bit. Okay, let's work our way back out. Whoa, birdies. Let's work our way out again. Nice covering of snow. Definitely a sight to see. Winter Fuji in its majesty above the clouds. Thanks for dropping by to have a look with me. Take care, everybody.